Okay folks, we're going to start with step one. As you can see, we've masked the headlight just to protect the headlight and the paint, just so we don't get any damage onto the car. And we're going to use the step one oxidation remover from Beam Bright. Guys, this is just natural wear and tear on the car. Of course, we've donned our gloves for protection. I want you to see the first step. This is UV damage. This is sun. It's haze. It's wear and tear on the car. The front part of your car is always going to take the most damage. Let's get started here again. Okay, we're going to take the head wipe, and in smooth strokes straight across, we're going to wipe the lens. Look at that right off the bat. Look at that junk that's coming off. All that yellowing, that nastiness from being in the sun, exposed to the elements. Look at that. Guys, this is just one pass. That's what happened just with one pass, folks. Just rub. Doesn't require too much muscle. Just a natural process. Now we're going to wet the lens, because we're going to go to step two, which is the sanding disc. We're going to take our P2000, which is in your kit. Like I said, folks, everything is included in the kit. And we're going to use this one, keep the disc in a lightly sanding motion. We're going to start sanding the lens down to get down to that other extra layer of oxidation on the car. Always keep it wet while you're sanding. That's good right there. Little circular motion, keeping it wet while you're sanding. Then we're going to move to the P3000 disc. We're going to go to the P3000 disc right now, and we're going to do the same process. Again, we're only a couple of minutes into this operation. Guys, if you see this headlight getting cloudy, it's okay. It's part of the process. This is what happens. And again, just light sanding motion. I'm not putting too much weight into this. Just very lightly. That's it. This is all that it requires. There we go. We're going to move to the third step right now. But this is important, folks. You want this headlamp on your car lens completely dry before you get to the next step. Very important, because we're going to put the ceramic coating on it. And we want this headlight nice and dry when we apply the ceramic coating. And again, look what happened over here. It's cloudy, it's a little hazy, but that's okay. Like I said, that's part of the process. And the last step, what we're doing is we're going to use the ceramic coating from Beam Bright over here. This is your clear coat. Only requires a one wipe process to get all this junk off the car. Again, it's cloudy, it's natural. Watch what happens. Look at that, folks. Look how that oxidation and the clear coat removes the last part of the lens. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. You are done. Headlight Restoration Kit from Beam Bright. Let the car cure for a little bit, and don't wash it. Just let it dry for a couple of hours and you're good to go. Guaranteed for the life of your car.